Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into the Platinum Link portal. Enter your credentials and complete two-factor verification if prompted. Once in, navigate directly to the Links or Campaigns area so you can create a new link without delay. Make sure you have the destination URL, any UTM or tracking codes, and the desired redirect behavior ready. This initial setup prevents interruptions later, and it ensures the link you create will carry the correct analytics and destination information from the start. Now create the link. Choose the link type that fits your goal: direct for simple redirects, cloaked for branded display, or redirect for conditional routing. Enter the destination URL and attach your UTM or custom parameters so analytics capture source and campaign data. Then set link behavior, expiration date, click limits, geo-targeting, and redirect rules. Once configured, preview the link to confirm parameters, propagate correctly, and that the redirect goes where you expect before publishing it. Publish the finished Platinum link and copy the final URL for use in campaigns or sharing. Immediately test the link on multiple devices and browsers. Click through and watch your analytics to confirm hits and parameter capture. If the link fails, inspect redirect chains, URL encoding for special characters, and any permission or domain blocking settings. Recreate the link with simplified parameters if needed. Once tests pass, distribute the link and monitor performance regularly to catch any drift or broken redirects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.